Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy DS again, back with another unboxing on my channel. This is a center speaker from Polk Audio, CSI-A6. Didn't really need it, but I figured I should upgrade my center channel because you know it is the most important part of a home theater, the center channel. So the reason why I picked this up is I guess because of the price. It was $300 on Amazon, so I figured that's good. Another thing that impressed me is the two 6.5 drivers. Compared to the one that I have right now, is 5.25-inch drivers, and I figure 6.5 will give me more boom, especially give me more voice, I should say. Especially it's the same size as my front and my rear. But real quick, you guys need to get up on The Witcher, man. I am loving this show like 100%. I thought it'd be bad, but it's actually decent. So let's get back to the unboxing right now. So like I said before, this goes for about $300 on Amazon. You guys could pick it up. I think this may be my little Christmas present to myself. Oh, another reason why I did pick this up was because I am upgrading my TV to a bigger TV, so why not get better sound? So this is like a kind of like a mid-range. I wouldn't say mid-range. I would say like high-end center speaker from Polk Audio, and it varies from 20 watts to 200 watts. If you guys decided want to know what kind of amp you need to run this, I know I'm gonna have to flip the box over and take it out because I know how these things are. I'm just gonna show you what's on the top, and then I cut the video and then I will take it out because I know that's gonna be something else. Anyway, this is the grill, sort of like the not like it is a CSI grill, so you know it's gonna have the little gray, the little silver accents to it, like all CSI models. Unwrap this real quick so you guys can see it. It's not magnetic enough. It's a snap-on, and this is how it looks. The little gray accents that kind of match my my PSW 10s that I have down there, so that's kind of a good thing. It is my other TV, my new TV that's be here pretty shortly. With it's gonna be wall mounted, so I am putting the center speaker on the stand over there, and wall mounted TV. So obviously this a little kickstand if you need to angle it. I think I won't be using that. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. So I'm gonna cut right now and take it out the box, and I'll be with y'all shortly. Alright, so unwrapped it out the box. This is a big heavy boy. It's about 30 pounds. Oh my god, this thing was heavy. I was not expecting it to be so heavy and this big. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out right now. I don't think it's a good idea to wall mount this because it is heavy. Bad thing about this center speaker is honestly the silver accents. I don't really care much about, even though the grill is gonna be on there all the time, so it doesn't really matter to me. I heard nothing but good reviews about this. Wow, this bad boy is heavy. Ooh, that took a lot. So here it is, presentation upside down right now, obviously. But this is the power port that's supposed to stop the chuffing, if you are explaining chuffing, but witnessed any of that yet. So here it is, two 1-inch dome tweeter and the two 6.5-inch. Let me turn it around for you. So this is where the kickstand goes, in case you have to, you know, adjust it to tilt it upwards. You twist this and this goes up and down. No, I can't do it now. You got dual poles with the splitter right here. You take these off if you want to. This goes to the tweeter, this goes to the drivers, but I am going to by wire them, so I won't be needing this piece of metal right here. So these are also vents right here, if you can see, to give you more bass. And this thing is huge. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing is huge and it is heavy. Alright, so that's my unboxing of the CSI-A6. Hope you guys enjoy it. Other videos coming soon. You guys take care. Sorry the video a little sloppy, but this thing is heavy. I'm running out of breath lifting this damn thing. But anyway, that's it. Thumbs up. Peace.